Welcome to this level one video where we're going to tackle the three levels of AI. So let's get right to it. Level one is really where you're just asking AI questions, right? You ask a question, it gives you an answer. You can use this all day long in daily life for what do you want to eat that night for dinner? Ask it, hey, I've got these ingredients in the refrigerator. What can I make that's healthy in the next 10 minutes? Right. And it will give you three or four different recipes. That's a question, get an answer. Or how can I use this technology tech stack better? That's a question and an answer. Now, the better the prompt, the better the answer. So, this is where your AI prompt architecture comes in. We've got some videos on that as well. And you want to set up that AI knowledge base. That's what's going to allow you to really have AI give you back an answer that knows you, your culture, your team, your clients, your services, and give you a more refined answer that's going to help you move forward faster. So at level one, we need to build that good base foundation. In addition, there's some level one instructions. For instance, I'm a visual learner. I love colors and diagrams. My AI knows that. So when I'm asking questions, it always includes a diagram back for me. Maybe you're an audible learner. Maybe you're kinesthetic, right? You learn best by doing. Make sure you teach it that. Don't worry, we cover that in another video as well. Okay, level two, automations. This is a great one. So once we get an answer back, we could say, hey, chat, that's amazing. Now, how do I automate this? Now, here's the thing. You better have that solid base foundation in level one before you go to level two, or you're going to spend a lot of time fixing, re-breaking things to fix it again because it's not done the right way the first time. So make sure you get level one done, then move to level two. This is where we need to understand your tech stack. So maybe you want to do a referral automation. Any new potential new client that emails you says they were referred by someone, or if a client says, hey, I'm sending this person to you, AI is going to immediately message your team. It's going to immediately draft a response, right? You're going to have all this information, whether the message comes in by email, on your social media, right? Your messages, your WhatsApps, right? It has now a funnel. It has a process of what it does to deliver that. Now, at level two, it is just an automated task. It's not thinking. Thinking is where we go on to level three, the AI agent. This is where we say, great chat. Now let's build an agent that has the skill set that can do this process for me each and every day, each and every week, right? Now, an agent is actually going to think through and analyze parts of the information. It's not just looking for a trigger word or a trigger component. So I have an amazing morning and afternoon review, executive review. It goes through my emails, my Slack, my Asana boards. It tells me and helps me reprioritize what needs to be worked on. So agents are going to filter information and help prioritize, help identify. It's really thinking through the information. Same with marketing reports or your sales reports, right? But it's got to learn from it all goes all the way back to the AI knowledge base back here, that first level. And it needs to understand your workflows so that it understands what needs human decision making, i.e., you or someone on your team, what can be delegated to another human, what can be automated or put to another automation or an AI agent. So level three is a much more complex series of events, and we have to train it. We have to have a lot of clarity at the front end, what we're asking it to do. That's going to deliver a better end product. And you got to keep training it for, the next month or so as you're really fine tuning, ironing out the wrinkles. So there you go. three levels of AI, up level your business with AI responsibly, and up level your personal life. There's so many things we can do on that personal level. If you want help with that, DM me. I've got lots of strategies. My mother asked me to build one out for older people. Lots of great tools out there. But for now, get started on understanding the levels and make a plan to level up. All right. I'll see you in the next video.